Hello, this is Songpimang Misao, PGT Computer Science teacher, EMRS Gamnom Sapormeina, Manipur. Today I would like to say about the use of STEPapp by our students. More than 50% of our students have already used STEPapp during COVID-19 pandemic, and according to them, they say that it is easy to access and it helps them to understand the basic concept of their subject topics like mathematics, physics, biology, and chemistry. One interesting I found in this STEPapp is that the explanation and demonstrations through visual graphic is clear and makes easier to understand the basic concept of the subject topics, and also it's easy to go through step by step all the subject contents. And thanks to the STEPapp teams and concerned authority for providing the learning audio visual basic learning aids to the students. And also it is a good decision taken by the government providing STEPapps to the students for better understanding of the subjects. And also I hope students will get benefit by using these STEPapps. Thank you.